Advanced Salesforce Reports and Dashboards. Welcome to this video on Advanced Salesforce Reports and Dashboards. Salesforce Reports and Dashboards are powerful tools that can help businesses gain valuable insights into their data and make informed decisions. In this video, we'll provide an overview of advanced Salesforce reports and dashboards and how they can help you unlock the full potential of your Salesforce data. Section 1. Advanced Salesforce Reports. Salesforce reports are a key component of the platform, enabling businesses to analyze and visualize data from various sources. Advanced Salesforce reports take this functionality to the next level by allowing you to create more complex reports that can provide deeper insights. One tip for creating advanced Salesforce reports is to use custom report types. Custom report types allow you to define your own relationships between objects, giving you more flexibility in the data you can include in your reports. Another tip is to use cross filters. Cross filters allow you to apply additional filters to your report based on related objects. This can be useful when you need to filter your data based on more than one object. Bucket fields are another powerful feature of advanced Salesforce reports. They allow you to group data into custom categories, giving you greater control over how your data is displayed. Section 2. Advanced Salesforce Dashboards. Salesforce dashboards provide a high-level view of key metrics and KPIs, making it easier to identify trends and opportunities. Advanced Salesforce dashboards build on this functionality by allowing you to create more complex dashboards with greater interactivity. One tip for creating advanced Salesforce dashboards is to use dashboard filters. Dashboard filters allow users to customize the data displayed in the dashboard, making it more relevant to their needs. Dynamic dashboards are another advanced feature that can take your Salesforce dashboard to the next level. Dynamic dashboards allow you to create a single dashboard that can be customized for multiple users, providing a personalized experience for each user. Finally, using dashboard components can help you create a more visually appealing and informative dashboard. There are many different types of dashboard components available in Salesforce, including charts, tables, and gauges. In conclusion, advanced Salesforce reports and dashboards can provide valuable insights into your data and help you make more informed decisions. Interested in unlocking the full potential of your Salesforce data with advanced reports and dashboards? Contact us today to learn more about our expert Salesforce development services.